Have you ever been watching a software demo video and noticed that they take part of the user interface and make it zoom way off the screen, like it enlarges magically? How do they do that? It looks so complicated. But in Camtasia, it's actually pretty simple. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make user interface elements pop off the screen. So I've got my recording on the timeline. I wanna show off the dashboard, but some of it might be harder to see because it's a little bit smaller, right? Let's say I want to enlarge just the calendar when I'm choosing the date range here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna duplicate my layer of video footage. And just for me on a Mac, that's Command D. Windows users should be Control D. You could also right click and choose copy and then paste it. I'm just gonna hit Command D. So now I've got two of the same layers. I go up into the crop mode and I'm gonna zoom out a little on my canvas and I'm gonna crop just down to the calendar. You can choose whether or not you wanna keep the select a date range text on screen or not. I don't feel like I need to keep that, so I'm just trying to show off the calendar. Now, nothing's really happened right now because what we've got is this top layer selecting the calendar and the identical bottom layer showing everything else. But if I was to turn that off, you'd see I only have the calendar. What I want to do is, now that I'm in only the calendar view for a second, I'm going to add some corner rounding to this. Under the visual effects, I go into the corner rounding and add that to my layer. And I can even crop it down just a little more so it kind of matches right around the outline. You can get as particular or not as you want. I'm a little fussy. So I'm going to change that to about 25 for the radius. And I'm happy with the way that looks. And it's as simple now as adding an animation. For me, that's Shift A, adds an animation. You can also go up to the Animations tab and add a custom animation by dragging it down. I've already added my animation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this animation scale up. So that means increasing the scale on this side of the animation with the red dot highlighted. I'm going to make this scale up. I'm going to center it on my screen a bit here. Okay. And now, I'm going to extend this so it's a little slower. And there you go. Now I've just scaled up the element that I wanted to. Now the other thing you can do is go to the layer below, add an animation there. I'm going to line it up with my other one so it looks magically like everything happened at once. And I'm going to just darken it by lowering the opacity. There's nothing behind that layer, so it's just going to go to black. I'm going to lower it down to about 30% maybe. Let's try it, 30%. And now, you really get that calendar sharp in focus. To make it go back down, you can just hit this restore animation, or again, add one with Shift A, but I'm going to hit restore here, and I'm going to hit restore here. Watch the whole thing, zoom in, zoom back down. And that's it. In a few easy steps, you can make UI elements fly off the screen. Tell me in the comments if this is something you're going to add into your workflows, or if you're already doing something like this. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.